Learn how to do knotless braids with me. I'm going to show you guys how to part the hair. I'm going to show you guys how to braid the hair and to tuck the hair. Yes, a bonus for you guys. Also, just have fun and have patience, guys. You guys will get it, I promise. This is the first technique. I'm going to show you guys two different techniques, actually. That's why I have the first technique written right here. Make sure you guys have the comb right here. I do have the link in bio for this comb, or you can use the comb at home. Section it in 3 parts right here. Exactly how I sectioned it. Make sure you guys section this as well. If you don't have a wig doll head, I have the wig doll in the caption for my Amazon cart. It's on my Amazon cart. But anyways, guys, make sure you section out the hair just like this for the first braid. All of the braids you're gonna do just like this, okay? Now that I have it sectioned out, I'm going to start braiding 1 time. I just braided it once, guys. And then I braided it 2 times. Keep count, guys. So this is the second time I braided it 3 times. So now I braided it 3 times, 4 times. And don't forget, I'm showing you guys 2 different ways, okay? So I done braided it. Now I'm going to add in a piece of hair. I use pink because you guys told me to use a different color. So it was very recommended. So that's what I did. I braided it into it once, twice, and then I'm going to go ahead and pick up another piece of hair and add it in. So pretty much this is what I'm going to do for the rest of the braid. Make sure you guys add in as much as you want to. I am just adding this much because this is what I just wanted to do for you guys, to just show out that pink some more, just to show you. But remember, I'm doing 2 different techniques. On the second braid, I'm going to make sure that I show you guys a different way on how to do knotless braids. I am going to take my time because once again, you guys told me that I was going too fast. So I'm going to keep braiding down, show you guys how I braid down. I didn't really use as much product for real on this braid at all, since it's just a tutorial for the for this video. It's just a tutorial. So of course, if you want it to be extra neat, then you would use more jam or gel, whichever one that you guys like to use. As far as the bottom part goes, as far as braiding down, I usually just braid it all the way down. But if you guys want to have the ends way more thick, in the meaning of, you know how sometimes when you're braiding the hair down and it's really thin at the bottoms, you guys can literally take an extra piece of hair and add it in. I do have a video on how to add hair specifically, just about how to add hair, on my YouTube channel already. I recently uploaded that, I want to say like 2 months ago or a month ago. So it's on my page. You guys can definitely look at it. And I did take my time on there, so you guys can definitely get it. It's very easy, very simple for you guys to get. So now that I'm done with this one, the first braid, right? I'm going to show you guys how I do the second knotless braid. So this is the second technique. I went ahead and just put little product on there. Like I said, not too much product. You don't have to really use too much because it is the mannequin head. But this is the second technique. Remember to split it in 3, guys. Always split it in 3. That way it gives you an easier way to grab hold onto the hair. So I went ahead and braided it 2 times. As you guys can tell, it was different from how I did the first one, because the first one I braided it way more than twice. So I'm going to take the hair, add in the pink hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and braid it. And that's 1 time. Braid it 2 times. So now I braided it twice. I'm going to add in another piece of pink hair. So I braided it once, and now I'm braiding it 2 times. And then I'm going to just add 1 more piece in, and then I'm just going to let you guys see how I braid the hair, so you guys can kind of have the gist on your own, you know, just to see how the braid looks, compare it to yours when you're braiding. And, you know, just let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Go ahead and leave it below, and I'll answer the question as best as possible. If you guys want me to make another video, honestly, just let me know. I am here for you guys to teach you guys how to braid, to make life a little bit more simple, honestly. But all right, guys, I'll be back once I start to tuck, because apparently I don't know where I was just like, you know what, let me just tuck the hair, I guess. So that's what I started doing. But anyways, I'll be right back. So here's the part where I started to tuck. I literally just took the pink hair and I started wrapping it around the black hair. So that's all you have to do, guys. It does take a bit of time, I'm not gonna lie. It does add on some extra time when braiding people's hair, or, you know, just braiding the mannequin head. You know, it's still braiding at the end of the day. But just make sure you guys take your time. Don't get frustrated. Just keep trying over and over. Once again, like I said, the mannequin head, if y'all want the same exact one, the link is in the caption. I do like this mannequin head because it is a bit more coarse. Like, her hair is a bit more coarse. And, you know, me working on black people's hair a lot, our hair is more textured. Like, it's, you know, it's a bit more kinkier. And I love this mannequin head. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this mannequin head is amazing. I really just wash and blow dry the hair, and, you know, it helps a lot. So you guys go ahead and click the link in the bio and get this head if this is the one that you want to work with. But back to tucking, guys, just watch the way that I tuck. Definitely try it. Bring out some hair, you know, in your closet that you already have, or in the drawer. Bring it out and just try it. Some people prefer to have their hair tucked, some people don't. It's really not a big deal, honestly. But is there a difference? Yes. But, you know, just try it and see how you like it. So I decided to put the first piece down against the second piece so you guys can kind of see the difference between tucking and not tucking. Let me know what you guys prefer, if y'all like tucking or not. So that is a really big thing that I know that people in the hair community always talk about, you know, about tucking or not tucking, and what looks better, what doesn't. In my opinion, I don't really mind, honestly. Like, they're both a look to me. Depending on the look that you're going for, they're both a look for me. But remember what I said when it comes to braiding the bottom of the hair. If you guys want to, you know, add more or not, you can. And I do have a video on that on my page already. So just keep braiding down. I'll be right back with you guys to talk with y'all. I'm just gonna let y'all listen to a bit of music, and I'll be back. Remember, guys, always feel free to ask me any question. There isn't any question that's stupid, because we all are in learning stages, right? So we're still just learning. So therefore, just ask any question that you want to ask. It's not little and it's not too big. Any question is not too little or too big for you to ask, because again, we are still learning, okay? So we're coming to the end, the very, very, very end of this braid right here. Notice how I keep braiding. I honestly, in my opinion, how I really do mine, I just braid all the way to the end, and the ends stay secure for me, because I end up just dipping it in hot water. I dip it in hot water and the ends are sealed and they're tight for me. If you like to tie the knots at the end, you guys can go ahead and do that. That is perfectly fine as well, because there's not only one way to do braids. Everybody's a different braider. And if you are a different braider, that is perfectly fine with me. You can just add this to your list of things to do as well to perfect your craft. I also like to trim the ends with a pair of shears to make it easier for me. You know, obviously their hair is not connected to this because it's pink hair, as you guys can see. So I just take my time, you know, I just kind of chip off, you know, the excess hair that's on there, and then I dip it in hot water and everything, you know, it's pretty good. So this is how both of the braids look like. Let me know if your technique is the first one on the left side or your technique is the one on the second side, which is on the right. Let me know which one you like better as well, as far as tucking and not tucking, and let me know why, honestly. Make sure you guys subscribe and comment and like this video. I appreciate you guys rocking with me. I definitely want to say thank you to everyone who has been rocking with me this far. I see all of you guys' messages when you tell me thank you for me teaching you guys how to do hair. It means so much to me because I really just want to share what God has given me. So I hope you guys have a blessed day. I hope that you guys don't forget to pray this morning or this night or this afternoon. God bless you all, and I'll see you guys next time.